Newtown is a vibrant inner city suburb of Sydney that's famous for its art scene and colourful creatives. The area is home to some of the city's best live music venues and fabulous vintage shopping.
In recent years, it's become a food lover's paradise. So it helps to have a local showing you around and giving you the best bites to eat.
Just 10 minutes from the CBD, it's popular with Sydney-siders and tourists, who Justin is more than happy to show around.
Well, you're in for a treat, Hoda. We've got a whole range of foods around Newtown.
First up is a Newtown institution, the Pie Tin.
Let's do it.
This cosy corner store make all their pies fresh on site, and their ever-changing menu ensures there's a pie for every palate.
Here we have the butter chicken pie, which is a bit of one of their weekly specials. They change them up every week.
I can smell it.
This
one
one
smells delicious.
You can smell the yogurty, the spiciness to it, and of course, delicious pastry all around. Hands?
Hands.
All right.
Oh, that's delicious. The flaky pastry is so golden. And the most important thing about a pie, in my opinion, is the bottom. There's no soggy bottoms. This is absolutely delicious.
Back on the streets, this tour is as much a feast for your eyes as it is for your belly. Once you've created some space for morning tea, Tokyo Lamington is waiting for you.
Good morning, guys. Welcome.
Good morning. I'm so excited for Lamington.
This modern dessert store is reinventing an Aussie classic, giving it bold Japanese flavours.
Well, I've had a traditional Lamington before, but not a yuzu Lamington.
Well, you're in for a treat. Now, we do have forks because it's a little bit sticky, but if you can get in there, I reckon just go for it.
Yuzu is an Asian citrus fruit, and this amazing creation is filled with yuzu curd and cream, then dipped in meringue and toasted.
It's so soft and not too sweet. It's just a perfect balance of tangy and soft and fluffy. Delicious.
Melts in your mouth.
Justin knows when another art break is required.
This is a really famous mural, not just in Newtown, but I think Australia-wide, the I Have a Dream mural. It's been here for over 30 years now. It was done by two artists, and they did it illegally over the course of 2 nights. Sunday morning, Newtown wakes up to this mural, fell in love with it. Been here ever since.
The mural has become a powerful symbol for Newtown's values of diversity and inclusion. And it's easy to see how that extends to the food culture here, with loads of different cuisines on offer.
After you.
For lunch, Justin's picked Cairo Takeway for some Egyptian street food.
So with this tour, we want to kind of combine some hidden gems and some local institutions. And Cairo Takeway, certainly in that second category. This place is one of the most popular restaurants along Enmore Road, and for good reason.
I'm told that this place serves some of Sydney's best falafel, but the key lies in how you eat it.
Grab the cucumber and then use that as kind of like
Sandwich.
a sandwich with it, yeah. And then you can grab that and you can dip it right
In the tahini sauce. Cheers.
Cheers. It's the spot, right? Just that nice bit of kind of crispiness with the cucumber. And how green is that?
That tahini sauce is so smooth, and that bit of sumac just gives it that nice tangy kick.
For dessert, it's traditional Turkish ice cream at a family-run business.
Turkish ice cream is very different compared to your average gelato. So it's all about the texture. It's chewy, it's stretchy, it doesn't melt as fast. So the recipe actually dates back hundreds of years, and there is a secret recipe in it which we use wild orchid roots to give it that texture. And plus we hand churn it so we get all the air out of it.
The ice cream is blended to make Turkish-inspired flavours, but the original is simply served covered in pistachios.
It's just a clean,
Oh,
fresh...
wow. A lot stretchier than I thought.
Once you're feeling as stretched as your ice cream, the tour ends at Young Henry's. A brewery that offers up an eclectic range of beers with names to match.
I don't know about you, but I'm going for the motorcycle oil. Cheers.
Cheers.
Oh, that's strong. That can do some damage.
It looks stronger than it is.
It suits its name, let's just put it that way.
I'm a fireball.